Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a simple, quick skincare routine for you guys. I've been obsessed with Saturn by GHC. I did talk about them in my earlier video as well about hair care, and because I love those products so much, I decided to delve a little deeper and test out some more of their products. They also do skincare, which I was so excited to understand and know. So I decided to get a bunch of skincare from Saturn by GHC to try it out and show you guys. It's a simple, quick 3 to 4 step skincare routine that is going to be so easy for you guys to follow, and these products have some fabulous ingredients in them. So before wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. Let's talk about the packaging. I love how their products are packaged. The white and pink looks so chic. They have all of the ingredients listed right here. And of course, you also have the complete ingredient list. These products are absolutely cruelty-free, which is super important to me. They are paraben-free, sulfate-free and alcohol-free as well. So let's start with the first product that you're gonna use, which is the foaming face wash. Comes in this beautiful packaging that looks so good in your bathroom, and I especially love that it has this incredible brush head on top of it. It is made of silicone, so it's not going to harbor a lot of bacteria. And also, if you're traveling and you don't want your product to leak from the packaging, it comes with this very super useful lock that you can just pop back on, and then this product is safe to travel with. And also, if you want to keep it super clean, you can also keep the lock on at all times, because I'm a little crazy like that. I do like to keep my plastic cap on this at all times. Once it comes in contact with water, it foams up really well, and it has this pleasant, gentle, nice cleansing aroma. But let's talk about the hero in this product. Firstly, we have aloe vera, which is rich in moisture and nutrients that help to completely hydrate your skin, prevent moisture loss, and it supports skin barrier as well. Then we have tea tree oil, which is one of my favorite ingredients, especially if you have acne. It is super rich in antioxidants as well. It also helps to restore collagen and keeps your skin youthful looking. Then we come on to orange peel extract. The high vitamin C content of orange peel extract. It also helps clean and treat oily skin. Lemon extract, which is said to do wonders in fighting skin breakouts like acne, pimples and blackheads by cleansing dirt and oil. And lastly, we have rose oil, which makes your skin supple and smooth and also balances oils in the skin. So, not enough good things can be said about this. My skin has been feeling so clean since I started using this. This is my second cleanser, because I wear makeup, I like to double cleanse my skin. But when I clean my skin with this after I'm done with my makeup remover, it cleans my skin so well. And if you're someone who doesn't wear makeup and you wear sunscreen, which I mean everybody should be wearing sunscreen, you still have to double cleanse your skin. So this is a great cleanser for that, and it totally gets rid of any pollution, oil, dirt, makeup, all of that residue that you do not want on your face. This is perfect to get rid of that, and it's so easy to use. All you gotta do is splash some water on your face and neck. Pump out a small amount of the foaming face wash from the head. Massage for 2 minutes using the built-in brush. Now you can do your whole face in 2 to 3 minutes. I like to focus for 30 seconds in a particular section. So I'll do 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, 30 seconds here, and then 30 seconds here. So I particularly take like 2.5 minutes to wash my face, which is like nothing. And then I like to rinse my face with a little bit of a cold water, because that really helps in closing your pores and smooth out your skin. It is such a pleasant experience to use. I highly recommend you check it out. It is also so affordable, which is awesome. It is so accessible. This only costs 499 rupees, and if you buy a bundle of products, they usually have a nice package. So I'm gonna leave all of the links in the description box below for you guys to check out, because you can score some fabulous deals on this product. This is the Saturn by GHC face toner. It says pore tightening, and whenever I read that, I want to grab the product and try it on my face. So this contains PHA, niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and amino acids. PHA, which is polyhydroxy acid, is a powerful exfoliant which will help you get a smooth and radiant skin tone and also get rid of any dead skin cells. without giving you any friction and without damaging your skin. It's a very gentle way to exfoliate your skin. Then we have niacinamide, which is one of my hero skincare ingredients. I've been using niacinamide for 1 to 2 years now, and I absolutely love what it does to my skin. Niacinamide is great for both skin brightening and moisturization, reducing hyperpigmentation. It is a very calming, soothing ingredient, and most skin types tend to love niacinamide and do not react negatively to it. Then we have hyaluronic acid, which I'm sure all of you must have heard about hyaluronic acid. It holds water molecules onto the surface of your skin and helps keep it nice and hydrated, and after you moisturize your skin, your hyaluronic acid in this toner is going to make your skin look incredibly plump and juicy. Then we have amino acids, which protect your skin from free radical damage, which we all face on a daily basis due to UV, due to pollution, and due to dirt. Amino acids also help reduce the signs of aging. Which, come on, that sounds like a complete powerhouse in one toner. It does basically everything you want a nice toner to do. It helps gently exfoliate, it helps brighten your skin, it helps anti-age, and it also helps moisturize. Again, so affordable. This costs 499 rupees, but if you buy a bundle, you can definitely score better offers. This is super easy to apply. You want to clean your face with the cleanser first, and you just want to take a few drops of this toner in your hand and gently massage and pat it into your skin. Or you can of course take a little cotton ball, pour a few drops of this into a cotton ball, and then wipe it all over your face. Now, of course, since this contains some fabulous ingredients, you want to moisturize your skin and seal everything in with a moisturizer. You can have a simple 3-step skincare routine, starting with your cleanser, your toner, and then of course you seal it all in with a moisturizer. But I'm going to take it one step further and use my anti-aging serum. This is what the packaging looks like. You can see I love the packaging that it comes in. It comes in this really nice, like super friendly dropper kind of packaging, which is great because you do not need a lot of product. You only need a few drops of this incredibly potent serum. Now, the hero ingredient in this serum is retinol. Retinol is one of my favorite anti-aging skincare ingredients. I swear by retinol, and retinol is great to use as a preventative anti-aging skincare method. It helps to reduce fine lines, it helps to fade acne scars, and it's just a great ingredient overall to use in your skincare routine. Then of course it has hyaluronic acid, which we all love, and hyaluronic acid is just a great addition to have in all of your skincare products, because who doesn't love extra juicy, extra plump skin? Then again, we have niacinamide in here, which is just fabulous for moisturization and skin brightening, and retinol and niacinamide are such a great combo. They work amazingly together. Then we have arginine in here, which is a naturally occurring amino acid. It helps to maintain skin's moisturization levels and smoothness. Then we also have a little bit of vitamin C in there, which is just awesome. This is such a powerhouse anti-aging serum. I noticed such a huge difference in my skin. I use this serum at night because all of the ingredients that are in this serum I like to include in my PM skincare routine, and when I wake up in the morning after using this serum, my skin just feels incredibly plump and soft and smooth. It also helps fade away any scars, and it's just a great product to include in your PM skincare overall. Now, after I'm done using this incredibly powerhouse serum in my skincare routine, I just top everything off with a moisturizer to seal everything in, and that is pretty much my PM skincare routine for now. This serum is also incredibly easy to apply. All you have to do is take like 3 to 4 drops of this in your hand, and I just like to pat it into my skin to make sure it is absorbed properly, and you're set. I highly recommend you check out these products. I'm going to link all of the Saturn by GHC links in the description box below. You can find these products on Amazon as well as their websites. They have some amazing offers if you buy like 2 to 3 products in a combo deal, which I totally recommend because all of their products have been so awesome. I've never been disappointed with anything that I've used. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to check out my Instagram for some fun BTS and lots of reels and other fun posts. If you don't want to miss out on future fun videos like this, please remember to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and do remember to tell me in the comments whether you have tried any Saturn by GHC products. I would absolutely love to know your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'm going to see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye!